On this channel, I solve problems for new YouTubers and actors. I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm a SAG-AFTRA actor, been in the business for over 30 years, but you know what? I don't think actors are using their superpowers properly on YouTube. I'm here to change that. Let's go. Are you struggling to make engaging thumbnails on YouTube? If they don't click, they don't watch. Yeah, me too. In this video, I'm going to share this new tool and I'm going to show you what it's doing for me. I just found out about it today, and I'm going to even tell you the creator that I found it from. If we've just met, hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. This is my monetized channel, which has been taken over by reactions. And you're probably watching me right now on my Creator Tips channel where I help other actors thrive on YouTube. So this is who I learned it from. I even posted a link to his video. This is the video that I just learned about 1 of 10 from, so I highly suggest you watch it in full if you're struggling to blow up your channel. So first I started out working with ChatGPT. I know a lot of you in the YouTube class that I'm co-teaching, we discuss how great ChatGPT is getting. So I gave this screenshot and I ended up with this, and I put it into my thumbnail slot on the video I'm working on, and it scored pretty low, and I said, okay, it only scores a 77, I think it's too busy. Then it gave me this one. This one isn't live yet. I'm still reworking some videos on one of my channels. You can see right here the thumbnail score went down further. Now it's only a 31. If they don't click, they don't watch. So I'm not going to keep messing around with this. And to be honest, I could use the one that I got from the quick generate feature here from vidIQ, but it's a 74, and I don't know, it made her look mean. I'm not mean. Why would it take this face and turn it mean? All right, so let's see what 1 of 10 did. I just started my membership today, so I am not an affiliate. On the free version, I was gifted 60 credits, and so now I have 52 because I've used a few. I signed up with Google, it was really easy, and I'm on the free account. So what I did is I put the title of the video that I am looking to get a thumbnail for, and I uploaded a photo of myself. I think that photo stays there for all future things. I'll tell you how you can get the pro version for a month for $1 at the end, so stay around for the end. Each generation costs 4 credits, so I only told it to give me 2. So I got this and this. I'm gonna see what they score first before I mess around with them. So let's go to upload it. This one says it's scoring an 80. I can see it right there because I have vidIQ installed. I don't even have to save it to see. This one's too busy, I think. It's a 71. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the one that scored an 80. I think if I wanted to add some of this coloring, I could have added a second picture. So I'm adding the sunrise data as an additional reference image. I've said add some color to the background similar to what you see in the sunrise for higher click-through rate, keep my face, and everything else as you have it. Let's see what we get. I love it. I love it so much more. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to download this. So let's pull the more colorful one in. Is it still only an 80? Is this true? Let me save it. It's still an 80, but I like it better because I'm a very colorful person. Okay, hope this serves you in some way. Don't forget, this is the video where I learned about this. And if you head over and watch his video, comment, and thank him, he's got a link that will give you the pro for $1 for 30 days. Thank you so much, George Alexander. Subscribe. If you catch this and you're not already subscribed here, this is where I share tips for actors who want to thrive on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.